Good morning, everyone. I am absolutely exhausted because it's currently like 5:30 in the morning, and the reason why we're getting up this early is because someone in our family happened to have missed the deadline for ordering donuts for Fat Tuesday, which is today. We decided to wake up so early in the morning before everyone else goes into town and does their business to be first in line to order donuts. So let's go do that. We have a list of donuts and now we're going to go order donuts. I'm so tired. All right, so which way should we go? Should we go the main highway or take the sneaky route?
The sneaky route.
The sneaky route.
You gotta do sneaky route.
Sneaky route it is. Switch you tonight.
Oh, I love some bonsai.
Let's go.
Oh no.
Don't tell me we're stuck. I hate living here so much. I can't wait to leave Michigan. I am so tired of living here. Because usually my snow tires are enough to get me out of here. Oh, don't tell me you're stuck for good. Because we have donuts to get. Just banging into a snowbank. We're getting further every time, that's good. There we go. empty parking lot.
We get free parking.
All right. We have made it. Still dark. I did not know that the city actually puts their lights into caution mode this late at night, actually. All right, let's go in for some donuts. Well, that was a successful trip. We were first in line, despite that we arrived like an hour late. No, whoa, so slippery, actually. Yeah, the weather conditions were so bad, it took us actually roughly, how long to get here?
Felt like half an hour.
Yeah, it took a while to get here because traffic and, well, actually, no, not traffic, weather conditions. I'm thinking wrong. I'm thinking daytime. I am so tired. It's like 6 in the morning. Oh.
It is 6 in the morning.
All right, where the heck are my keys? Right here. Well, we got a dozen donuts because it's Fat Tuesday. So, all right. Now that we got our donuts, let's get the heck out of here. I want to just go home and lie back in bed. remembered we have to go to Calumet today. So, this is not going to be fun. I'm not parking there because that's where we just got
it's with the plow.
Oh, it's over there? Okay.
Yeah, that's with the plow.
I was worried. I didn't see it, and then I'm like, oh, am I going to hit it if I back up?
No, it's over there.
I have no idea where I am, but oh well. As in, I have no idea where I am in the driveway. I know I'm at home. Okay, I'm not that tired. I'm drowsy. But guys, don't drive in a snowstorm like that, and don't live here. Like, I'm serious. Don't live here. I hate living here. I want to get out of here. Would you agree? All right. I'm tired. We've got our donuts. I'm gonna walk in, take my shoes off, and plop straight back in bed. Well, maybe use the bathroom first. My bladder's kind of screaming at me, actually. Thank you for watching. Do me a favor and interact with the stuff below. My name is Alpha the Wolf, Random Alpha, signing out.